Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Route 132, known as the Navigator's Route, is Quebec's longest highway, stretching over 1,600 kilometers along the south shore of the St. Lawrence River. It passes through regions like Montérégie, Centre du Québec, and Gaspésie, connecting numerous historic towns and offering scenic views of the river. Starting in Contrecoeur, a town with roots dating back to the 17th century, the journey heads northeast along the river. The road offers picturesque views of the St. Lawrence River, with opportunities to spot local wildlife and enjoy the natural beauty of the area. Approaching Sorel-Tracy, travelers reach the confluence of the Richelieu and St. Lawrence rivers. Sorel-Tracy is one of Quebec's oldest cities, with a history dating back to 1642 when Fort Richelieu was established to protect against Iroquois raids. The city has a rich industrial heritage, particularly in steel manufacturing and shipbuilding. This drive along Route 132 offers a blend of natural beauty and historical significance, showcasing some of Quebec's most charming riverside communities.